Tesla's new move shows that the Cybertruck's design is already finalized, and Cybertruck has been spotted in this new design in Palo Alto. Welcome back, everyone. Tesla Cybertruck units are rolling off production line at Gigafactory, Texas, and have been for months. But the prototype seen in Palo Alto, California yesterday, wrapped in camo, seems to indicate one thing: the all-electric pickup is undoubtedly close and the design is finalized. In the past 6 months, Tesla Cybertruck sightings have been more and more frequent as the automaker continues to work toward initial production nearly 4 years after unveiling the car in November 2019. Now we see viral images going viral on Twitter, on the internet, showing these camouflaged Cybertruck images, where we can see Tesla putting a wrap of camouflage on Cybertruck. Some people say it's pointless. I don't know. What do you think, friends? Why would Tesla do this? Probably Tesla is trying to hide some design part that it wants us to see during the unveiling. Now, we've seen Tesla test numerous looks, some more rugged than others, and some units of Cybertruck have been equipped with rumored features like the single wiper blade, but that doesn't appear to be a finalized part of the Cybertruck. Yesterday, a camouflage wrapped Cybertruck made it to public testing on roads in Palo Alto, and the camo seems to show the vehicle is close to the production for the Cybertruck's buyer. This Cybertruck was also spotted with a round steering wheel, which is interesting considering Tesla equipped some prototypes with a revised yoke design, which has been polarizing amongst the community, to say at least. Companies usually wrap vehicles to hide designs, lines, and other styling that may not have been presented to public quite yet. We've seen numerous companies do it with their electric and gas cars, right? Tesla is definitely moving closer to production and deliveries, as last week the company reportedly told suppliers, which I reported here at Torque News YouTube channel, that it plans to build 375,000 Cybertruck vehicles every year, and initial release candidates could be ready by August of 2023, just in 2 months. We already know the design of the Cybertruck has been finalized, but we do not know if we have actually seen it on the road. Now I think we're seeing it on the road, but in a camouflaged version. By the way, friends, is it camouflage or camouflage? Please let me know in the comment section below, because when I was growing up in Armenia, we used to say camouflage, and now I think I've heard in the United States people saying camouflage. Anyway, so what do you think in this Cybertruck's finalized design? Do you spot anything interesting here? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla news, and let's move on to our next story. A Tesla Model 3 equipped with full self-driving software decided to go for a short nerve left turn in a busy New York City intersection on Monday, narrowly avoiding a collision with an oncoming traffic. Take a look, friends. 2 days ago, Tesla Twitter blogger Strength Plane shared this new video of a Tesla FSD trying to make a left turn on a busy NYC intersection. The video quickly went viral, kind of, generating lots of comments as people expressed their excitement at how well Tesla FSD now handles the traffic. In the video, you can see a girl passing the road while Tesla is preparing to make a left turn. Then Tesla stops and does nothing. And then we got an oncoming car, and the Tesla decides to go for it and make a left turn with no arrow. So Tesla was in the middle of the road, and then the oncoming car was coming and making a left turn. But this FSD, by Tesla's actually FSD, manages really well to make a left turn without an arrow and get into the right lane. One of the commenters named Gorgeous says, "I've noticed it's predicting crazy things such as knowing who will be faster to start when a light turns green, or if an oncoming car will turn or not. I don't understand how is it so good at these things which are not predictable," he says about Tesla FSD. Others are saying their nerves are too short for watching how FSD videos make left or right turns or make decisions when driving themselves, and jokingly say that Tesla should actually pay these FSD test drivers for testing the full self driving features. Looking at this video, I'm thinking Tesla FSD decided to go for it because the oncoming truck, which was making a left turn, was blinking. You know, sometimes it's about trusting our intuition when our vehicles give us signals. Wow, so it saw the semi blinking and decided to move on the lane. That's quite impressive, and impressive that you let it do it. Miners would be stressed out, writes Eric Thilo, commenting under the video. On Twitter, people commenting under the video say the Tesla FSD is many times safer than most people driving themselves. I don't know, but I can surely say that Tesla's full self-driving beta is taking bold strides toward a revolutionary future of autonomous driving. Friends, I think Tesla FSD demonstrated the right behavior in this type of environment. As you can see from the video, I think it would have taken over once I actually think that I would have taken over once that steering wheel made the hard left turn, even though it wasn't moving. So what about you? Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. Watch this Tesla Semi showing off its speed in viral new video, friends. A rare new video of a Tesla Semi accelerating quickly after making a left turn has gone viral on social media yesterday, and it's still going. The video, which was originally tweeted by Tesla Cars Only Twitter account, shows the white Tesla Semi truck making a turn at an intersection in California before speeding up to a high speed. The video has been retweeted over 100 times and has over 50,000 views by now, and it's still going. Now, in this video, the Tesla Semi truck can be seen accelerating from a stop sign at a fairly slow speed. However, as soon as the truck makes the turn, it accelerates quickly and is soon traveling at a high speed. The Tesla owner's Silicon Valley Twitter account, which I believe is the largest Twitter account about Tesla vehicles, also commented on the video saying Tesla Semi has the fastest acceleration within its class, and it's not even close. The Tesla Semi is an electric semi-truck that was first unveiled by Tesla in 2017, friends. The truck is designed to have a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 20 seconds. The Semi is expected to start ramping up its production in 2023. It has already sent several, I think 30 or some plus trucks to PepsiCo, and I've shared some of those videos before. Now, in this viral video of the Tesla Semi accelerating quickly, like I said, has generated a lot of excitement on social media. Many people are impressed by the truck's speed and acceleration, and some have even said that they would consider buying a semi-truck if they were a trucker. The video has also generated some discussion about the future of trucking and how electric trucks could revolutionize the trucking industry. Now, it remains to be seen how well the Tesla Semi will perform in the market. I expect it to do really well. However, the video of the truck accelerating quickly has certainly generated a lot of interest and excitement. Here are some of the comments from the Tesla owner's Silicon Valley tweet about this rare video. That acceleration is insane, writes one person. Another person writes saying, I can't wait to see these trucks on the road. Another person says, this is going to change the trucking industry. And yet another person commented on the video and said, I'm going to buy one of these trucks one day if I become a trucker. So the Tesla Semi, friends, is a powerful and impressive truck. I think it has the potential to revolutionize the trucking industry and make a significant impact on the environment. It will be interesting to see, however, how the truck performs in the market and how it changes the way people think about trucking. You have any ideas? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Armen Harian from torquenews.com.